Hello everybody and welcome back to another ZT Global video. Today we're talking about GLMR or Moonbeam. It's a multi-chain foundation built to secure Polkadot network stuff and Ethereum related stuff as well. So it's interconnecting pretty much everything, and that's why it is a massive project that you guys need to look at. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to cover the technicals. It's not too interesting to see what's going on right here, but I'm still going to take a glimpse and see if we can form a price prediction. If you want to actually purchase the token, you can head on over to ZT Global and check it out. Press this big green button and you can get the coin yourself. On the lower time frames, or on the 4-hour time frame right here, we can see some interesting price action looking pretty bullish at this point, just because the project is a Polkadot related project. Now, what is Polkadot? Well, for those of you who don't know, it's a network that first promoted true interoperability in blockchains, which means transferring not just tokens, but any type of data or asset from one blockchain to another. Also, scalability, blockchain innovation, and a lot of these other benefits, but that's not the point of today's video. The point is Moonbeam or GLMR. So you're able to expand to new chains and interconnect with pretty much everything. So basically this protocol and foundation, what they do is they have an app where you're able to scale and connect applications from different blockchains, and they work very correlated to Ethereum's structure. So if you scroll a little bit more down, you can see that they are fully Ethereum compatible, and there's no need to rewrite or reconfigure smart contracts. You can just work with them on Moonbeam right away and they will work immediately. You use the tools that you already use, so this is mostly for builders. There is familiar smart contract languages such as Solidity, Viper, and more. Basically, Solidity is the largest one, and pre-built integrations for assets such as DOT and ERC20 tokens, which makes it very, very scalable and very nicely usable, and has very big utility for the future, right? So it's more than just an EVM implementation, so Ethereum, and it's a highly specialized layer 1 chain that essentially mirrors what Ethereum is doing, but makes it a lot better and smarter. Smart contracts are built on Solidity. You have these accounts, which I have no idea what they mean, but interact with Moonbeam using your existing Ethereum accounts and keys. You're able to publish and subscribe with this protocol as well. So you can subscribe to contract events and publish them and follow through with what's happening, and also complete a huge set of Web3 RPC endpoints for growing your blockchain. So you're able to grow your project with this multi-chain foundation, and Moonbeam helps you do that. You're able to acquire new users and use cases by reducing gas fees on Ethereum. You're able to access a rich pool of assets and a huge growing ecosystem. So essentially enjoy a first mover advantage by deploying early to Polkadot's rapidly expanding parachain system, which, in my opinion, Polkadot has a huge place in the future, and it's definitely something that should not be overlooked. They have amazing smart contracts powered by the Glimmer token, and Glimmer is central to the design of the actual network and can't be removed without sacrificing security and essential functionality, meaning that it will probably never be removed. Very low transaction fees, and they're all paid by Glimmer. Smart contract execution, staking available as well if you want to earn a passive income, and on-chain Glimmer weighted voting and governance as well. When it comes to the project roadmap, these guys are started in January of 2020, and by January of 2022, they will complete the Moonbeam launch on Polkadot and enable all of these features that I just talked about. You can check out the app up here. I do recommend you check their socials as well, but essentially the ecosystem is huge. You can read a little bit more about their projects, collators, and technology partners right here. Generally, it's a project that I'm pretty interested in myself. You can sign up for these updates, check out their docs, and pretty much everything else going on. These guys are built and powered by PureStake. Now, for the technicals, we can see some, quite interesting price action. This is the daily chart. We did form a resistance at this point, which is now acting as a support, which is a good thing, because ever since the inception of the coin, we kind of just pumped massively and then came down, which is normal for a new coin on the market. Then we did establish somewhat of a downtrend, which we broke out of and are currently making higher highs and higher lows. And if we move on to the 4-hour time frame, we can see, basically a consolidation in the price between this area right here and, this bottom area right here. So in general, what we can expect is potentially another move into this area down, and then a move up, and then potentially a break of this zone. A retest, and if we find a support there, we can move upwards. If we don't find support, then we're going to find ourselves consolidating within this region for some time before generally the market picks up. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite thoughts about Glimmer and if you want to see something else special in the future. So thanks for watching. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest in crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.